My go-to Japanese breakfast, egg drop udon, Kakitama Udon. Green onion, as much as you like. Finely chop. One or two eggs, as much as you like. Beat the eggs well. One tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of Japanese soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. Half teaspoon of Dashi Powder. Mix well. $300 ml of water. Bring to a boil. $180 grams of pre-cooked udon noodles. Add the sauce mixture. Boil the udon noodles. Remove the udon noodles once they are warmed through. Bring the soup to a rolling boil, then add the beaten eggs. Turn off the heat once the eggs are cooked. Pour the egg drop soup over the udon in the bowl. Add chopped green onion to your liking and it's done. $40 grams of onion. Slice thinly. One tablespoon of miso. One tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Lay the sliced onion on aluminum foil or parchment paper. Spread the miso mixture on top. 30 grams of thinly sliced Maitake mushrooms. Place 80 grams of salmon on top. Spread the miso mixture on the salmon. Wrap tightly with the aluminum foil. Place the foil-wrapped salmon in the pan. Cover with a lid without adding oil. Cook over medium heat for 4 minutes, then reduce to low heat and cook for 7 minutes. Add butter to your liking. A pinch of black pepper. Add the chopped green onion to your liking and it's done. Thinly slice 60 grams of cucumber. Sprinkle a dash of salt. Mix with chopstick to draw out moisture from the cucumber. Let it sit for about 2 minutes, then squeeze out the excess moisture by hand. Half teaspoon of soy shantan or dashi powder. Half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon of rice vinegar. Half teaspoon of sesame oil. A dash of ichimi togarashi or cayenne pepper. Toss well with chopsticks. $80 grams of tofu, any firmness you like. Place the seasoned cucumber on the tofu. Sprinkle white sesame seeds to your liking and it's done. 今日の日本の朝ごはんはこんな感じでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.